Good morning. It is 10 a.m. Wednesday, November 17th, 2021, and we are at the HSC Foundation offices at PW 112 700 William Avenue in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today we will be doing the early bird winner in the 2021 HSC Millionaire program. The winner will have 5 prize choices: a 2021 Tesla Model X at $125,000 value, and a Tesla 2021 Model Y at a $70,000 value, or a 2022 Airstream Caravelle 22FB at an $111,905 value, and a 2021 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab at a $46,807 value, plus $25,000 cash, or a 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S at a $170,000 value, or $150,000 cash. We will now select the winner of the early bird prize draw, and the winner is Darren Jago. Congratulations, Darren. Ticket number 6061652 of Reston, Manitoba. We will now be drawing the early bird cash winners in the 2021 HSC Millionaire program. There are 25 winners of $1,000 cash each, and the winners are Congratulations to all our winners. You will receive a letter in the mail with your check.